Is it bad to crack your knuckles? Crack your knuckles a lot? People say it causes arthritis. Good news, that's just a myth. There's no strong link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The sound comes from gas bubbles popping in your joints. It's not your bones cracking. But if you do it too much, it can lead to hand swelling or reduced grip strength. So cracking your knuckles isn't dangerous, just don't overdo it. Follow for more myth-busting health facts.